welcome to my channel Zoom in Zoom Out. So today we are having an amazing laptop called Asus Vivobook. So this is one of the best laptop now, and now let's unbox it. So its MRP is 76,999 and it has written wow the world. Let's see. Okay, let's open the package. Yeah, it's a neat packaging. Okay, this is a box, and here we are having some power cables box, and this white color is the laptop. Okay, you can see the laptop is finely packaged. We are also having the user manual booklets and the warranty cards in search of incredible. So these are some performance cards, and this is for claiming the office. Okay, here we are having the power supply cable. So this cable is also really built. Okay, this is an adapter. So the build quality of this adapter is also nice. Okay, now let's open the laptop. Yeah, now let's take the laptop out of this white cover. Yeah, this is the gray color laptop, Asus Vivobook. Yeah, its design is decent, and we are having some cooling and all. Now let's open. Wow, package is amazing. Okay, a nicely impressible keyboard, and it has fully metal build, and the keys are also well organized. Yeah, here we are having some specs. Office, and this is an 1080p camera. It's privacy camera. Now let's charge and boot the laptop. Okay, this is the back side, Asus. Okay, and guys, let's also see some specifications. So come on, this laptop is having the processors of Intel Core i5, and graphics card is Intel Iris Xe, and storage is 8GB, 16GB and 512GB. Okay, and the other features are this. And guys, please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Until then, it's Zoom in, Zoom out.